Mike, what's this truck's name? We got the little baby truck. What do we want to call this one now?
Little rust bucket.
It's not rusty at all. It has no rust on it. It's not. The underneath is not rusty, Maddie.
Okay, I'll take a video when we get there and I'll prove it.
It's not rusty though. Okay, it has surface rust because it has raw metal on it.
Okay, no. Fine. Little surface rust.
We need a name for my dually. I know I have been working on it for a long time, but the reason being is I have a lot going on. But now it's in Florida, and now I have, you know, Thomas can paint it. He's not going to want to paint it, but this video will convince Thomas to paint it because everyone's going to want it done. But we're about to drop this off, and we are going to Cocoa Beach to pick up another truck, or two more trucks actually, a 2nd gen and then a 6.0, if we find the 6.0. This is when all hell breaks loose. I can't stop the fucking car. This is definitely redneck ingenuity at its finest, but Kyle has a brain. Brandon doesn't. Alright, here she goes.
Stop.
Holy shit, monster trucks, you know.
Drove it up there like a pro, I'm sure I would have hit off. So I've never actually, bro, I've never put this sucker on the 5th wheel yet, so God bless you. You guys can roast me all you want for that. I'm not a man yet, but I'm getting there. I had to sell it. I had to sell it.
That's a goddamn lie.
No, I had to sell it.
Man, I ain't studying that shit.
I gotta pay rent.
Man, I ain't studying that shit, dog. Don't tell you sold the truck, man?
It's gone. It's going to Indiana.
Is it for real? Dog, you put a lot of hard work, time, and effort in that one, bro.
She's gone, bro.
Look at it. Dead serious.
That's my new truck.
Huh?
That's my truck.
Then now tell me. Hey, you got a good one, man. He took his time on this one, man.
That's nice.
Crank it.
Hold up.
Look at you, Dad.
Ooh! He does OnlyFans. Hey, that man over there, he does OnlyFans.
Yeah, he sells his weed. On this episode of Thomas's OnlyFans yard, we have a junkyard with, I guess, a Cummins in it. So we're gonna go try to yank the motor out of it, and he's gonna pull, I think, the valve stem cap off of it.
Let's use this.
What?
I'm just gonna use this to get it off. Get the little bolt out. I'm too short. So I have to go with this one. Because I got that one off, but I can't reach the bolts.
Go grab a 10mm.
I got all my tools like lined up in my car. I know what I need for everything in my vehicle. We're no longer at the Buick. What is this? Fucking minivan?
Minivan. A Venture.
Ah, got it. Tiny little hands in there.
You got the new one ready to put it back in?
Yeah, of course. That's how I took it out.
The OBS gonna load the windshield.
No, not the OBS.
We are now currently gonna lift Thomas's dad's 2017 F250 Alumaduty. It's got a 6.7, real nice truck. We also got wheels and tires ordered from my boys over at Crown Custom, so Andy hooked us up on those. But the lift for the truck is in the back of the crew cab. I kind of forgot about it, and I went to look for it. I was like, where's the lift? So I thought I left it at home, but I put it in the back of the crew cab and forgot about it because I rushed out of the house. I cannot get over how this exhaust brake sounds with this truck. The video just doesn't do justice. Thomas's dad Illumiduty, as you guys just seen, is now complete, and he is completely ecstatic on how it turned out. I'll be honest, this thing sits pretty nice. Next thing loading is 24x14 TIS wheels with Versa 36-inch tires. He actually got the same wheels that are on my Mega Cab, which is kind of cool. So this thing should be a lot wider and have, I would say, a lot more tread on the tire, because these have been going for 2 years. The truck only has 80,000 miles on it. He bought it brand new back in 2016, so he hasn't really drove it much, because I know I drove 40,000 miles since October. And he's had this since 2016 and has only drove 80,000. It is a 6-inch lift. It has the 2.5 piggyback shock and the reservoirs on the rear. The block, we had to do a U-bolt flip. And in the front, we went ahead and did the Vertex 6-inch lift adjustable coilover, which I will be honest, I have driven every coilover and there is not a shock that rides better than this Vertex one. The 8-stage external shock sitting next to it. Now I'll be honest with you guys, this truck rides very, very good. I will take you guys for a ride here in a second, but we did a pitman arm drop, sway bar drop, track bar drop, brand new front drive shaft, and the rear blocks. I think we can go for a quick drive. This thing handles so well. And even like on the slightest little edge of the road, like right here, you can't tell we're off the road. I guess he didn't know that he built a derby truck, but this thing handles very, very well on-road and off-road. I actually was by the shop where I always film by the river, and it's very, very bumpy there. I kind of forgot that I was even in the sand. Now the only thing we need to get him to do is delete this thing. It's still bone stock. It has 80,226 miles on it. He's getting a whopping 12.8 miles to the gallon, and he doesn't really even drive this truck. He's got his Hellcat that he drives that I don't think that thing gets any miles to the gallon. It just gets tires burned off of it. 22x12 gear wheels and 35s. So with the 24x14 and Versas, oh, this thing's gonna go to a whole nother level. I know when I had the 22x12s in my Mega Cab, it looked cool. I love those wheels and tires. I got them from down at Crown Customs in Danville, Illinois. And then when we got the 24x14s on it, it changed the whole look of the truck. And I think now it's on 24x14s again and 35s, brand new amp tires, brand new wheels and tires actually. And I am like ecstatic on how my Mega Cab rides as well. So if you guys need any wheels and tires, be sure to have Andy over at Crown Customs. I'll put the link down in the description and he will get you guys dialed in. He offers financing, he offers everything. Just give him a call and say, hey, yo, Brandon said I need some wheels, so I gotta buy some wheels. Oh, well, that's nice. I got back to the shop and my dad was driving the Mega Cab and now it's getting loaded up. That's actually a very big relief because I don't like hooking up the trailer. It's miserable. And maybe we get it for a shot. Like son, like father? No. I go 100 miles an hour down the road and I line up that trailer almost perfect every time. Unless I don't, and I usually smash something, but we can't talk about that. So let's get that truck loaded up. Let's go give Thomas's dad's truck back to him, and then we will be off to Miami.
New racks, new racks, new racks, new racks, new racks on me right. I might spin it, I might spin it, I might hide. New racks, new racks, new racks, new racks, new racks on me right. New racks, new racks, new racks, new racks, new racks on me right. I might spin it, 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 New racks, new racks, new racks, new racks, new racks on me right. New racks, new racks, new racks, new racks, new racks on me right. I might spin it, 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 I might spin it,
Welcome home from jail. Nice of you to make an appearance. Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
I'm only like 1,200 miles away from home.
Oh, for sure.
Where do we put our stuff?
Go to the truck.
Look at you, big cock and all.
Big cock.
Big Daddy B back in town.
Yeah. We wanted to be Juice WRLD actually, so like now I have the car, or no, the truck with the stars in the roof.
This is a motherfucking spaceship, cut.
It's a spaceship all day.
You just shut down the airport.
Well, the boat kind of sailed over to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and now we have a monstrosity behind us, and it's kind of crazy. Everyone we pass on the highways is like completely static on how this thing looks. So I would say this one's perfect, that one's perfect, and the crew cab's a beater. So actually, no, I lied. The crew cab's pretty nice. It's just I've had it too long in my possession, and Thomas wants you guys to buy it. So who's gonna buy the crew cab? Let's go talk about it. 30 by 16s and 42-inch Venom Swamp Things, I guess? Yes, Swamp Things. It's a new tire Venom released. So someone needs to buy this. It's like $350,000 he's asking. And this one's for sale too, actually. So it's a customer's truck. He said it's not for sale, but I think it's on my trailer, so I could sell it, right? Like this day and age, you guys need to see my Instagram post. People steal things. So I mean, I can just steal it and then sell it,
fall
right?
off the trailer or something like that.
Just someone stole it. But thought I heard a tire pop. But yeah, someone buy the crew cab. It has an insane sound system, and it's Thomas's baby, but I'm selling it for him too. Actually, you can buy all of it. What's the price? I would say like, I would say,
say
2.9 million.
It's about 500 in the mega cab.
And then
1.2 there.
1.2 million, and then I think a house.
Shit, what car? Where is it?
Let's go record.
There you go. And then this is pretty much a house on wheels.
It has monster truck bags, and then it's also, that was on coilovers, and the trailer's on air ride too. Yeah. My new trailer, I will actually sell this trailer. My new trailer's gonna have the damn thing, you hit the button, tail goes down and the jacks go down. I told you guys earlier in my video, I hate putting the trailer on the truck. Yeah, so this is my first time towing two monster trucks like complete with my mega cab, and yeah, I'm in for it when I have my little baby truck on there than when my dually's done, because my dually's down here in Florida with me, but there's a little bit of a twist on it. So you guys knew it came down here, I was gonna finish it down here, but the body's staying here now. I'm taking the roller back home to Chicago because I'm gonna knock it out really quick because all my tools are still there. And then I'm gonna powder coat all of it while the little baby truck is getting finalized, and I'm bringing both down to Florida together, and then maybe reveal both of them together. I just need $120,000, which my account does not have.
Which is why you buy these.
No, it's why I sell these and don't give the owners their money.
You don't tell them about it.
Yeah, so I sell these trucks and I finish my other two trucks. It's like $1 million to finish them, and then I mean all my stuff will be done. My friends won't have their trucks, but they don't need to come.
Yeah, they don't know. Thomas doesn't even drive it.
Well, as you guys know, there's a giveaway I have launched, and there's links in my bio on Instagram. It's gonna be down in the description. Enter that because it's doing pretty good, and I think if I launch a truck giveaway, maybe a monster truck giveaway, like the crew cab maybe. Not the crew cab. The little baby truck. No. My dually, yeah. How about this? I give away the mega cab and two monster trucks with the gooseneck. Who is doing that? I would need to clear like $500,000, but besides the point, that's gonna end today's video because I'm tired. I haven't slept worth of anything, and we're in Miami now. So the next video should be loading here in like 3 days, I'll say, and we will have some fun here in Miami for Florida Truck Meet, and then the show video should be pretty insane. So with that being said, I think Donald Trump's calling me. I gotta check my phone. All right, see you, bye. Hey, what's up?